All right, so good morning, it's Dr. Deuk, and I'm here with one of my Canadian patients. And where did you travel from?
From Toronto, Canada.
Toronto, Canada. And why did you come to the Deuk Spine Institute here in Orlando, Florida?
Well, I've tried everywhere else. I've done physiotherapy, chiropractic, massage, acupuncture. I've seen several surgeons in Canada. Nobody can fix my back.
And what was wrong with your back?
I guess I have bulged discs. I don't even remember. 3, 4, 5.
4, 5, and then 1, 2. L1, 2. And so having bulged disc without any symptoms is not a problem, but were you having symptoms?
Yeah, I've been excruciating back pain for 14 years.
Back pain from the bulging disc for 14 years. And you had what done yesterday?
The Deuk laser
disc repair. Good job. Yeah, Deuk laser disc repair. And do you still have your pain today?
No.
That,
no more pain when it was really bad in my 3, 4, 4, 5. That pain's gone.
Yeah, awesome. And you also had some pain intermittently at 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
But not as bad as 3, 4, 4, 5. And is that pain at 1, 2 still there?
It's not there. That would always bother me if I go for a long drive. And
all right.
Right now there's nothing there. It's just gone.
Yeah, I think you're going to be very happy. Now, we haven't given you any pain medication that would take your pain away. All we gave you was a muscle relaxer, which you've probably tried before, I'm sure it didn't work. And we've given you an anti-inflammatory pill, like a strong Motrin. And you don't have that pain anymore.
No.
Yeah, it's gone. That's great. And it's going to stay gone as long as you take care of your back, okay? How many years did you have this pain for once again?
14 years.
And was there anybody in Canada that offered you surgery?
9 years ago, a surgeon offered me fusion, and doing research, I didn't want to do the fusion.
You would have been fused at one level though, and you still have pain above it and maybe even below it at this point, because fusion wears out the joint above and below.
And the surgical options in Canada aren't there. This isn't offered.
Yeah, the Deuk laser disc repair isn't offered anywhere else in the world right now except here. And so the surgeon told you, because you didn't have any leg symptoms, he wasn't...
No leg symptoms, can't fix you, can't help you.
Yeah. So somebody with just back pain without the leg symptoms, what do they do?
Nothing. Deal with it. Take more pills. Here's more pills.
And it's the same thing in the States, by the way. That's how doctors treat patients in the United States. If you have just back pain and no leg symptoms, or just neck pain and no arm symptoms, they're not going to operate on you.
Yeah.
But we did here, and we fixed your problem.
Life-changing.
Yeah. Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's all right. I know you've been through a lot for 14 years. I'm sorry. I really am. I wish people didn't have to suffer like that. But you found the place, and we got you taken care of.
Thanks very much.
Let your back heal up before you do anything, okay?